To impute scores, click on the menu bar and then select examination. Pick exam scores from the drop down, and then once the interface opens for you, exam scores and assessment interface, you click on impute exam scores first. Then you select your class from the class drop down, and then you can also select your subject from the subject drop down. I want to start with the English language. Once you select the subject, the exam scores interface opens where you have the names and the assessment for the term. So you go ahead and impute the scores as obtained by each learner. Once you're done with imputing scores for each and every learner on the class list, you can click save. Then you can go ahead and pick the next subject from the subject drop down and continue until you are done. Then you can now proceed to quick action or quick menu rather, and select additional assessment. Additional assessment is where you can find your psychomotor, affective, physical development, and other non-cognitive subjects for assessment. So same thing here, you select your class from the filter on top. Then if you're doing additional assessment for midterm, you need to select the midterm option from the report type drop down. If it's terminal, you allow terminal is default. Then the category of what the assessment you're doing. Most schools have one category, others have more than one. So you select the category you want to start with and then select the assessment. For my Demo International School, I have mental alertness, physical development, adjustment in school, and so on. So you select the first assessment and you grade everyone based on that assessment. So based on what your assessments are, you will have them drop down for you. So if Rebecca did well in terms of mental alertness, I'll give her excellent, and then do the same for the rest of our classmates. And once I'm done with assessing every other person, I will now click save and then pick the next assessment and continue. That's how you continue until you're done with additional assessment. Then you go over to quick menu again and select result comment. At this time, the system has done the computation of the total average and position the learners based on the best performing student. So as you can see here, under the result comment interface, you will have the names of the learners arranged based on their average score for the term. This will help you type appropriate comments for them. So as a class teacher, you go ahead and put your cursor here and type your comment. So you can type your comment here, and then this is where the head teacher or the principal does the comment. So you do the commenting for everyone, and then once you're done with that, you can click save. With this, you are done with your result computation, except you have other comments for schools that comment on things like dominant eye, dominant color, favorite colors, and other things. Alright, so this is how to impute scores using the new interface. Thank you.